Hello everyone. So here we can see that we have two questions in a choice. So firstly we'll solve the first question, then we'll move on to the second question. As here you can see that we have tan bracket half sine inverse 3 by 4, and we need to prove that it is equal to y 4 minus 7 under root divided by 3. So we are familiar with cos theta, sin theta, tan theta, but this in the value of theta. So what should we do for simplification? We can do one thing, we can put this value as theta. Let's see how. We'll put the value half sine inverse 3 by 4 is equals to theta. Then 3 by 4 is equals to sine theta. This can be done by moving this part towards the RHS. Now we know that the tan half sine inverse 3 by 4 is tan theta. Here we know a property, that is sine equals to tan 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we have this formula and we know the value of 2 theta from the previous equation. We'll equate them and solve them. We'll multiply first. So 2 into 4 is nothing but 8 is equals to, we'll multiply this with 3, we'll get 3 plus 3 tan square theta. After solving and calculating the value of theta, we can see we have two values for theta, but we need only one, so we can only show one value, that tan is equals to 4 minus under root 7 by 3. This is the pure calculation that you need to do yourself. Now, second question. The second question says that we need to prove, basically we need to calculate the value of x over here. We need to solve this equation. Similar to the first question, we'll consider tan inverse x is equals to theta. After reassembling, we can see x is equals to tan theta. Here comes the property that we know, cos theta is equals to 1 by under root 1 plus tan square theta. For solving any trigonometric questions, we need to remember all the properties. So putting the value of tan theta, that is x, tan square theta will give us x square. So we get this value over here. Now we need to solve the RHS, that is cos inverse 3 by 4 is equals to theta. 3 by 4 is equals to cot theta, because we have used this. Okay, we can see another property that says that sine theta is equals to 1 upon 1 plus cot square theta. Similarly, we'll put the value of cot theta and square it up. After solving this, we'll get 4 by 5. Now equating LHS is equals to RHS, we'll get the value of x, that is none other than 3 by 4.